Hello everybody, I'm down in the Lake District. I hadn't anticipated doing any videos, but I found this amazing oak tree this morning, and I just love how it's got two huge, it's almost as though there's two trees merging together, um, and the two sides, I love the way that the two sides are equally thriving, and it just seemed quite a symbolic thing. I'm just going to carry on to show you what a lovely place it is. There's a stone circle that we've there's a stone circle just up the hill there, and after doing a bit of yoga there, I came down here and found this tree and decided I wanted to draw it. So here I am set up. Um, it's kind of tricky for me because I never bought the tripod or anything, so it's a bit tricky for me to film the painting happening. But what I'll do is I'll post it on the Facebook page anyway after. These are my paints and the setup here, and this is me. Hi. So I maybe will, because we're heading down to Buddhafield Festival, and I'm sure there's going to be loads of inspiring things to paint there and people to paint. That I think what I'll do is I will keep recording something every day, and whether I post it this week or later on, and even just for myself to have a visual memory. But I love the idea of remembering things through sketches and paintings rather than taking photographs, because I was speaking to Scott about that this morning, and how it's the feeling really that is is to be generated and to be re to the feeling that of the place that nourishes us for long after. And I think that sketches and paintings bring back something of that feeling. So yeah, and this reminds me of the kind of the two pillars, where in relationship people are encouraged, or there's something about standing your ground, standing alone, um, in relationship. And I think this tree is really lovely for that, because it's connected at the base, but there's two very flourishing trunks. So on that note, I'll leave you and continue with my painting. Okay, see you later.